want to know one of the quickest ways to grow a loyal audience? Connect with people who share your interests and even boost your business without spending a dime on Facebook. One of the biggest things you can do is creating a group. Group help you to boost visibility, build trust, and create a thriving and like-minded community around your business or brand. Now, this is best for encouraging discussions among your followers, sharing tips, support, and resources that can even help your audience. Today, I will be showing you exactly how to create your own Facebook group step by step. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account or your Facebook page. On your home page, look at the right hand and click on Menu. Click on Groups, then click on the plus icon to create a new group. Click on Create a Group. Next, it's time to give your group a name. On this page, choose a name that reflects your group purpose. For me, my goal is to help you grow and monetize. So if you're looking for a space to grow and monetize your social media platform, my group is the best place for you to be. Just search for this name and it will bring you directly to my group. Next up, you need to secure your privacy. So click on the drop-down arrow if you want your page to be public. Anyone can find and see the post. If you want it to be private, only members can see the content that you post. For me, I will go with private. Then click on this visibility drop-down arrow. Click on the first option, visible, meaning anyone can find this group. Click on create group. Now, before you'll be able to proceed with this group creation, you will need to add at least one friend to be able to create this group. Even if you do not have enough friends now, don't worry, you can always invite more friends later. For me, I'm going to click on auto invite friends, then click on next. The next thing we want to do is to customize our page. Now, you want to make sure you add a cover photo that represents your brand or your community. So to do that, click on edit and upload your banner or profile picture. Now, there's an alternative way to do this just in case you do not have any nice image or banner you want to use just yet. We will get into that later in the tutorial. Or you can decide to use one of the free designs here for now. Then click on next. The next thing we want to do is to add a little bit of description to our group. That way, when someone clicks to join your group, they already see what your group is all about. It will help them decide if this group is the right group for them or not. And if you don't know what to write, head over to ChatGPT, describe what you want to do, and it will help you. Alternatively, you can use any script writing tool you know. After writing your description, click on Done. Click on Next again. On this next page, we are going to create our first post. You can actually skip this part if you don't have anything to post yet. But for me, I actually want to post something. If you are still here and getting value, please support the channel by subscribing and liking this video. That is the only way I will know I'm bringing you values. Okay, once you are done with whatever it is you want to write, click on Post. Now on this page, you can decide to rate Facebook or click on Not Now. Then click on Done. And now that our group has been created, there are still some things we need to do. Things like setting up rules and regulation for our community to keep it safe and respectful. But before we go into that, you can see these 4 buttons here. These 4 buttons right here. It will lead you back to set up anything you couldn't set up earlier, so you can set it up. For example, let me show you. Click this plus icon under Add a Cover Photo. Select your image. I designed this with Canva. If you want to learn how to design your cover, please let me know in the comments and I will make a video for you on that. After that, click on Save. Now go back. Click on See All. You will find your group here where other groups you've joined are. Click on your group. Next, let us manage our group. Under Top Review, Reported Content. This will help you to find any content your members reported, maybe due to whatever reasons or rules you've set for your group. We will get into rule settings very soon. And under pending, when someone sends a request to join your group and you are yet to accept it, this is where you will find it. And under members request, when someone asks to join your group, this is where you will find it. Next one is moderator alert. This is good because when you post something and it's getting a cutting edge or comment that might trigger spam, or someone is trying to scam your audience, you want to make sure you stay active. So to be able to set this moderator alert, click on edit alert. Let's start with keywords. Now, there are some things they should not say or type in your group so that Facebook don't ban your account and all your efforts go to waste. Here are some of the words I don't want to say in my own comment section or anywhere near my group. Now, make sure you type all those words that you don't want. Once you type a word, click on add. Type another one, click on add. Once you are done with all the words, click on the back arrow. Next, let's set engagement. This particular option will help to find out when your post is getting a lot of engagement. How do you do that? Click on Get Started. Click on Choose Content Type arrow. Choose what you want. Click Engagement Type. For me, I will be going with comment. Meaning, when I post something and the post is getting a lot of comments, I want to be notified so that I can go and check the post out or check what people are actually commenting or saying. Below here, type in how many comments you want to have before you get the notification alert. After that, click on Save. Then go back. Under this potential spam is where all items marked as spam will be. Or all the comments that looks like a scam, this is where they will all be. Next, under Tools Shortcuts, click on Admin Assist, and you can decide to add another admin to help manage your page while you focus on brainstorming on what new idea you want to bring to your audience. And these are all the list of the tasks you need to set for your assistant. To know more, click How Does It Work and read through. Now go back, click on Insight, and this is where you will monitor your group insights. You will see total numbers of followers, the people you've blocked, and the people that you've declined, and all your pending requests. The rest of the items here, I will leave you to explore. Next, let's do some settings for our group. And under Settings, click on Group Settings. Let's set up new members welcome message to welcome them into our community, into our group, and into the family. Please, if you are still here, don't forget to like. Make sure you turn this on so it will show whenever new members join your group. Type in your welcome intro in this text box. Click Preview, click Next, and click Publish. And under this Customize Your Group, click on Color, pick your brand color, and click on Save. Go back, click on Badges. These are different badges your members can earn, so turn them all on if you like. Go back again, click on Group Affiliates. This will help show your members that you are the group admin. Next step, let's manage group discussion. Now click on Who Can Post in the Group, then pick the option that works for you. Next, click Approve Edit. Make sure even when someone posts something and decides to edit after you've approved it, the post has to come through you or your assistant first. Click on this on icon and save. Next, sort comments. You can decide to sort them by newest, oldest, or most important. Click on Save. Next, click Edit Format and disable anything you don't want your audience to do here. If you did not disable some of them, it means your audience are allowed to go live, create pool, and do a whole lot of things here. So my advice is that disable some of these features so they have limited options. Next, click on Who Can Join Group. Pick the one you like from the two options. Then click on Save. Next, click who can approve members. Select only admin and moderator. You don't want your group members to approve a member because you want all the things going on in your group to come through you, just for security purposes. You understand? Click on save. Before anyone joins your group, let's set up some questions for them to answer and also rules to guide us to know if this group is the right one for them. Because personally, in my own group, I want people who are willing to take the bull by the horn. Content creating or content creation is not easy, so I want people who are ready to put in the work to be able to grow their online presence. Because no matter the tip I give, if you're not willing to put in the work, you will still not make money online. Now click on member question. Type in your questions here. After that, click this drop down arrow. Now, depending on the type of answers you want, pick the options that work for you. But for me, I'm going with checkboxes for this particular question. Now, type in the option for them to pick from, then click save. Now, go ahead and add more questions if you want and follow the same process to save your answers and questions. After that, let's go back and create the group rules. Click create rules and explore these samples. Click and read anyone you like. Click on next. And now you have your rule number 1 set up. Now click on create another one. Do the same. If you want to type your own rules yourself, click on get started or create another rule. Type in your rules here. This option gives us the room to have up to 9 rules set up. Once you are done setting up all your rules for your group, click on publish. After that, go back and click on create rules again and turn this icon on. And that's it, your group is good to go. If this video has helped you, don't forget to join my group on Facebook. You will learn a whole lot. Like this video, comment to also let me know you were here. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on all post notifications so you never miss out on any post. Until next time, bye friends.